As this Russian T-80BV tank was immobilized, the Ukrainian drone army wanted to make sure it was completely destroyed, striking it on the weaker top back section of the tank. But while the strike with the shaped charge penetrates into the tank, damaging the components inside, it's not always easy for a complete destruction, as missing the fuel or ammunition, or a lack thereof, makes so the FPV drone mostly have the capability to immobilize and damage the tank further, so as each drone strikes hit the tank well, causing more damage to an already damaged tank. It's not before the 5th drone that the fuel tank catches fire, causing some ammunition cook-off, making sure the tank can never be brought back into service, destroying another of Russia's tanks, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.